And this is Max. Welcome to Cecilia and Max's Lego Review. Today is going to be another episode of Legos for Kids. Today we are going to review Puppy's Playground, number 41396. It has 57 pieces. It is 6+, and it is the Lego Friends series. So we chose this because Max and I really like puppies, and we were looking for friends, and this is the box, and we're going to open it up and build it. Remember to give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos and like us, and watch until the end to see our positives and negatives about Puppy's Playground.
Hi, I'm Max.
Now we're going to open it up.
I'm going to open it up.
You have to poke it. And try not to. Oh, okay.
Got it.
So here we have bag 1, bag 2. We have these 2 pieces. And we have the instructions.
Second, this is. It's your pages. Okay?
Dump it.
Alright, stop. I want to hold a doggy.
I know. Open it up.
I want to do this doggy. I don't put it over. I don't do it.
Make sure nothing falls. Okay.
Hey.
Let's build.
I'm gonna be this girl.
Okay. Now you can put the bows on.
This one.
The pink bow goes on the white dog.
And Cookie. This is a. Where's Cookie? Oh. Cookie. Here.
And then we have a bowl with a bone and a cookie. And then we take this.
Oh, get me all.
Oh yeah, we're making like a roundabout.
Oh, bones. Here. Sorry.
What do you want to name the dogs?
This is Cookie.
Cookie?
What? This is Cookie.
Her name is Cookie? Aw, that is so
I
cute.
love cookies.
And what's her name?
Her name is Lazy.
No. Let's name her Cookie, and let's name her...
No, her name is Cookie. Love Cookie.
Okay, her name is Cookie, and her name is, Biscuit.
Biscuit. That is a good game. Biscuit is a good game. This is her glasses. This her. I'm gonna brush her hair.
Well, I guess you can play a little early. It's not a problem.
Not too little. Her is not too little. It's big.
So we made the roundabout.
And Molan is
Here you go.
tiny.
Here's a roundabout. You can spin. Okay, so now we're gonna make the main playground piece. So we take this, and then we take on the things on the side.
Here's a catch a bone.
Then we take this and put it
Okay,
here.
I made a catch a bone.
And then we take this here.
So sorry,
And where's the other one? There should be 2 of these. Did it drop? Where's the other one?
Where do you have it?
Oh yeah, not that one. This. You're supposed to put... Oh, okay. So now I understand.
Oh, Sasha, no!
You fell?
No, he had her glasses.
Her hair and her glasses fell. You can get them.
No, I done it. I get it, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna get new this glass. This one. Okay.
I love puppies.
I like Cookie.
Though I don't have a puppy.
You love Biscuit.
I like Biscuit, yeah.
And you like a girl.
Yeah, Mia. She lost her hair and her sunglasses. That's okay.
And
We'll pick her up her hair later.
A ladder. I want to do a ladder.
The ladder? You want to do the ladder? Okay.
No, I want to do a slide.
Okay, the ladder goes here.
Okay, I want to do
Good job.
a puppies.
Yeah, it's for puppies.
That is a Cookie. Dad, I want to put Cookie skateboard.
Oh, the skateboard is already built. Here. Oh, and now we make flowers. Yay.
Cookie's gonna go in there.
Oh, it dropped.
Drop over there. We're gonna get it later.
I can get. Okay.
Cookie need to go. Get inside and then
Yeah. I think Max really is excited to play.
Gonna
I think he's
get
playing right
a
now. Well,
cookie.
basically he's playing right now, yeah. You want to make it slide?
I want to make a slide.
Okay.
I need no help.
Okay, that's good.
Cookie need to go on it.
Okay. As long as she doesn't fall. It's not done yet. It's not done yet.
Let me play. I want to do a flag. I want to do a flag.
Oh, put the flag. Okay, you want to do the flag. You want to do the flag? Okay, almost the flag.
I want to do this and the flag. Okay.
You want to put it on the puppy sign? Yeah, you can put the flag there, yeah. And you want to put it on the puppy sign? Here. Yeah. Make sure it's, yeah, on the right side. Good job. And now you can, let's put it.
No, go to the next page. City Dragon.
Yeah, you can look at that. I just said it.
Santa.
You have 2 extra sunglasses
One more side.
and 2 extra bows, but those you can use for some other stuff.
I'm going to put it slide there.
Okay, you can put the flower
in the
there.
glass. Over
Okay.
there. Rolling.
So let's, yeah, the puppy wants sunglasses? The puppies want sunglasses. Okay, here are the sunglasses. Okay, so yeah, there's 4 bows. There's 2 purple bows and 3 sunglasses and 2 pink bows, magenta bows. Okay, so this is the finished figure. We have a hairbrush here and 2 cookies, 2 bones, and then there's another bone on the carousel. This roundabout. See?
Cookie gonna get.
Okay, so now Max is going to play, and I'm going to give you the positives and negatives. So for the positives, there are so many ways you can play with this set because, like, you can ride the skateboard down the slide and so many other ways. And there are 2 puppies and Mia, and you can change the clothes on Mia and put on sunglasses and bows on the puppies and Mia, and also the roundabout spins. And for the negatives, I actually only have one negative to say, and they're more small accessories than like and things than like equipment, but you can fix that by like adding it to another set or like add more equipment. And the real question is, would I buy it again? A definite yes. This is a great set for little kids and even older kids. You can add it to another set and even play it on your own, on its own. This is a fun and great set for all ages. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us.